Alright, buddy. Alright, we are back with a sad episode of eBay Unboxed because this is be part 2 of the iPhone full screen assembly replacement. And it's not the screen. The screen...
It's the phone.
Right, exactly. The screen appeared to be genuine OEM, like I told you it was. I mean, the screen is great. But the only thing about the screen is that it's only displaying.
When I dropped it,
it's only displaying just faintly. You see the charging button. And it's been like that for the past hour. So by now the phone should have turned on. So what happened?
I was holding my phone with my charger and I tried to pull the charger out of my hand. I dropped my phone. That's probably what happened. Something broke inside of the screen.
And what did I buy you to make sure that would never happen?
An OtterBox. Not
just any OtterBox, folks. I bought from eBay for only $10 too. I'll make an eBay unbox video out of these guys because they're great. Is the Armored Series OtterBox. I mean, you could drop it off 2-story building and this thing is completely fine. I work construction and I have dropped this thing, banged this thing against so many things, and I've never had it. My phone on the inside is still beautiful. I believe that iPhone made their best phones back in the day with the 5 and the 5S and the SE, so I just keep buying those ones. I have no issues with them other than if I take them out of the case and then they drop it.
Yeah, but I couldn't find the case.
Yeah, you know why?
Because
you left it here at the house. That's anyway. So what we're trying to tell you is that it's not the screen's fault. Like you keep seeing, it's just charging. It's the rest of the phone's fault on top of his for just not wanting to turn on anymore. So that means I'm gonna keep this screen as a replacement screen, but I'm pretty sure the rest of the phone is probably junk by now.
I have a backup phone though.
You do. You got a backup phone. It's Android. I hate Android. Yeah.
So do I.
Yeah.
But
don't like it. I like my Apple.
Play games on it.
I'm sad to see this one go. This one has been part of the family for a while. This iPhone 5, years and years. But I think it's finally bit the dust. But that's all right. At least I got a screen out of it, a good screen, a screen I know I can count on. And like I told you in the last video, part 1 of this, if you want to know where to get legit OEM iPhone screens, iPhone 5 screens, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, all the way up, all the way through. I can get genuine OEM parts. All you have to do is message me. I'll leave my email in the description so you can email me and I will email you back where you can get the genuine OEM screens from. But other than that, like I said, it's a sad video. The phone's kind of dead now.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a burial for it. We're gonna have a little vigil, and we're gonna have to say goodbye to this iPhone 5 that served me well for many years. You did, buddy. You did. But he's dead now. All right, folks. Let us know if you liked this video. I know this one wasn't very helpful. It was just in part 2, letting you know that the phone's dead. Screen's great. Screen's fine. But let us know if you liked it by hitting the thumbs up. And comment down below if you tell us what you want to see next time on eBay Unboxed. And try to keep it within reason. Like I said, don't try to get me to buy something for $50,000 on eBay because I just can't do it. I don't have the credit card capacity for that. But if it's within reason, I'll buy it. I'll unbox it for you. I'll let you know what I think and what I bought it for. And these screens, these iPhone 5 screens are $45 if you're wondering. $45 for the full assembly. That's digitizer screen, everything, camera, speaker, that's everything that comes with it. So it's ready to go right in the phone. $45. That's not bad. Not a bad price for a legit OEM part. But let us know if you liked it. Please subscribe to eBay Unboxed, where I'm your host Joey, and this is my side host for today, Braden. And we'll see you next time on eBay Unboxed. Thanks for watching.